Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some dominoes. I have my eye candy Tiffy blue and my eye candy Satori white. These are both pigment pastes, so they need to be stirred up well before you add them to your resin. I already have, I think I did 3 ounces of Let's Resin already mixed up, and I split that into 2 little Dixie cups, and I'm just going to do half Tiffy blue and half Satori white. This Tiffy blue is probably one of my favorite colors. That and the blood blue from Eye Candy. Absolute favorite colors that they have. I am pretty partial to blue though, it's my favorite color. I am just getting my white mixed up. I'm going to get a little bit on my stick and throw it into my little Dixie cup over there. I'm going to make sure to get these mixed up really good. Got to make sure it's completely blended or it will sink and leave blobbies in your piece. Those look pretty good, so I'm going to grab my Domino's mold. I don't know exactly how much these hold. Hopefully 3 ounces will be enough. And there is something in my mold. I'm going to try to get that out. I had to take my glove off to try to grab it. Alright, we got it. Probably a dog hair. So I'm just going to marble the Tiffy blue and the white. I was thinking about just doing like the bottom half one color and the top half another color, so you know, like the 2 on one domino would be white and the 3 would be blue on that same domino. But I think I want to do the marble instead, just to get some variation and see how it comes out. I do have a little something planned for filling those number holes, so you have to stand by and see what I do in the end. I think it came out really good. I am having quite the dripping problem with these cups for some reason. It is running down the side of my cup and dripping off the bottom. Trying to position it over the domino next door, so if it drips, it just goes into that domino. I'll have a little bit of a mess to clean up, I'm sure. After these are all finished, I am definitely going to teach my youngest daughter how to play dominoes. She has never played dominoes, so hopefully she'll enjoy that. So I'm just going to continue marbling my dominoes. I was trying to think too, what other way would be good to make a set of dominoes. I mean, you can always do clear with a little bit of glitter and maybe just plain glitter. I wanted to try to do the gold foil again, but my luck with the gold foil is I'm 0 and 2, so instead of becoming 0 and 3, I was passing on the gold foil, but I think that would look good in a clear. I guess I do have to try to do the gold foil again. I'm just glutton for punishment, I guess. I attempted the gold foil in my romantic skull, and that was a disaster. That foil went everywhere. It didn't stay like I thought it would. And what was the other one? I did it in the standing cross. I don't know what it is. I guess it's my arch nemesis. I am going to put you just on a little bit of a fast forward because I am basically just doing the same thing over and over. marbling back and forth between my Tiffy blue and my Satori white. Save us both a little bit of time. I am going to turn this around though. That is still too much of a reach for me right now. I can feel the pulling. So I'm going to turn my tray around. My gloves are so sticky at this point. And I ran out of medium-sized gloves. So I'm using large gloves and they're just a disaster. They're falling off my fingers don't fit in them, they're all floppy. Yeah, I was unprepared. Alright, we're finally on that last row, and this is better. I don't have to reach as far. So I will be back for demold once I get these filled to the top. Okay, they are ready. Let's see how these came out. Hopefully they look good and hopefully there's no bubbles. I did not go around the edges. I didn't want to mix up the colors too much and muddy it. So hopefully I don't have bubbles. Hopefully there's no bubbles around those number dots either. They look pretty good though. The color blended pretty well. I like them. And this might have actually worked. There is actually quite a bit of variation in these. Marbled nicely on all of them. Alright, by looking at these, I already have ideas for different sets. I might have just created a monster by doing this. Alright, I need to get the rest of these out of here so I can move on to my next step. Because I have a good idea. I don't know if anybody's done it. Probably somebody has somewhere. I don't know. But it just came to me when I was putting the colors together and I thought it would look fantastic, and I have a good color to go in there. So I think it's going to pull it all together and come out really, really nice. So I'm going to use these rhinestones. I'm going to use the dreaded B7000. I'm going to put them in the little number holes. And I'm going to use the smallest one. I don't know what size it is, but it's the smallest one, and it's kind of a tealish blue color. I don't know what the official color name is, but I think it's going to look really good. So we're going to put them in there and see how it looks. Alright, I got my rhinestone out. Grab my B7000. We're going to fight with the stringies. And I'm going to just do a couple on camera. And then I'm going to go sit down and be comfortable someplace. I'm sorry. And finish the rest off camera. Look at that. See? That goes really good. That's kind of like a teal color, I guess. I think it looks really good in there. Get one more going here. Flip my little stones over. It's probably my biggest problem with these stones is they're always upside down. Grab another one. Just organizing. I'll put my glue in there. Just a little dot, and I'm going to try to control the little stringies. And you can't really see what I'm doing. I'm off camera. I'm sorry. It's not as if I'm doing this for the camera and you need to see it or anything. And that one is good. So I'm going to get another stone, finish the bottom part. I was going to go in order too, but I just grabbed them. So I'm going to get all these done and I'll come back. And there they are. I grabbed my Let's Resin acrylic markers to put the little lines that separate the domino numbers, and I had the perfect teal color to go with it. So I am just sitting comfortably. So it's a little shaky. Camera's bad, sorry. Lighting's bad. It's all bad. But I wanted you to see that I was putting the little lines in there. So I'm going to finish doing that, and then I will get you some final pictures at the end. And that is it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.